Hello student, welcome to my YouTube channel Alchemy of Maths. Today we are going to discuss about first year FY become statistic, FY become statistic, FY become stats. The chapter name is measures of central tendency, measures of central tendency. In this measures of central tendency, we are going to discuss about mean for group data. Mean from group data. In previous two videos, we discussed how to find mean for group data. But today we are going to find out, or we are going to discuss about step deviation method. Step deviation method in details. Is it clear? In this step deviation method, you have to assume mean, and with the help of assume mean, one can find x bar is equal to a plus cu bar. What is your mean? X bar is equal to a plus cu bar. What is a? A is called assume mean. What is u bar? U bar is summation fu upon n. What is mean by u? U is a new variable x minus a upon c. Is it clear? We discuss all these things with the help of simple example. Now let us start with example here. What is a simple example? Say as a find average for following data. Would we write find average for following data? Remember this thing. This is very important concept. Today we are going to discuss with simple example. Now, what is the first step? First step is what? First step, see the example. Find average for the following data. Find the average for the following data. What is data here? This is nothing but your class interval and frequency. What is the class interval? 0 to 200, 200 to 400, 400 to 600, 600 to 800, 800 to 1000, 800 to 1000, 1000 to 1200, 1200 to 1400, 1400 to 1600. This is nothing but your given data. Pay attention here. Then what is corresponding frequency? The frequency also given. What is the frequency? Frequency for first class, that is 0 to frequency for first class, that is 0 to what? 0 to 200. Frequencies 0 to 200, frequencies 8, 200 to 400, frequencies 18, then 400 to 600, frequencies 27, 600 to 800, frequencies 35, 800 to 1000, frequencies 30, then 1000 to 1200, frequencies 25, 1200 to 1400, frequencies 18, 1400 to 1600, frequencies 11. Okay, this is nothing but your given data. Now see here, what are the class interval, which is in terms of hundreds or multiple of hundreds. Pay attention here. What is the class width? 0 to 200. This class width is 200. 200 to 400. Difference is 200. 600 minus 400. Difference is 600. Means what is the class width? Class width is multiple of 100. If it is multiple of 100, then we use step deviation method. Which division? Step deviation method to find the mean. Step deviation method. How to find step deviation method? Pay attention here. Very first, what we write very first? This is called step deviation method. Step deviation method to find mean. First column is class interval. Second column is frequency. Third column is x. It is called class mark. Next is what we find u is equal to x minus a upon c, new variable u. x is equal to u is equal to x minus a upon c. This is nothing but your new variable x minus a upon c. And after that find out fu. This fu used to find u bar, and then we have to find out x bar, that is x bar is equal to a plus cu bar. What is x? Pay attention here. We have to find out class mark for each class. What is the first class? 0 to 200. How to find out x? X is equal to upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. What is upper limit? 200. 200 plus 0, 200 divided by 200 divided by 200. Is it clear? 200 plus 0, 200 divided by 2 is 100. Means first value of x is 100. Second value of x is what? Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. This comes out 400 plus 200. 400 plus 200, 600. 600 divided by 2. This comes out 300. Then 600 plus 400. 600 plus 400, it is 1000. 1000 divided by 2, 500. And after that 800 plus 600, it is 1400 divided by 2, 700. Next is 1000 plus 800. 1000 plus 800, 1800 divided by 2, 900. Then 1200 plus 1200 plus 1000, it is 2200 upon 2, 1100. Then 1400 plus 1200, 2600 divided by 2, 1300. 1600 plus 1400, it is a 3000. 3000 divided by what? 3000 divided by 2, it is 1500. Is it clear? These are the values of x. Pay attention here how to find upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. That is 200 plus 0, 200. 200 upon 2 is 100. 400 plus 200, 600 divided by 2, 300. 600 plus 400, 1000 divided by 2, 500. 8000 plus 800 plus 600, this comes out 1400 divided by 2, 700. 1000 plus 800, 1800 divided by 2, 900. Then 1200 plus 1000, it become 1200 divided by 2, it is 1100. And 1400 divided by 1200, it is 2600 divided by 2, it is 1300. Then 1600 plus 1400 divided by 2, that is 3000 divided by 2, it is 1500. Is it clear? Now next step, x minus a upon c. What do you mean by c? Difference between upper limit and lower limit. What is difference between upper limit and lower limit? It is 200 here. It is 200. Remember this thing. Then it is 200 here. Now pay attention here. First thing, what is a? A is assume mean. You have to assume mean from values of x. What are the values of x? First value of x is 100. Second value is 300, 500, 700, 900, 1100, 1500, 1300 and 1500. Take any value of x as a. One can take 100, one can take 300, one can take 500, one can take 700, one can take 900, one can take 1500, 1100, 1300, 1500. Any value of x as a. Suppose we take 900 as a. This 900 as a. Would we write 900 as a assume mean? This 900 as a assume mean. Suppose you can take any value of x as a. Here I am going to consider 900 as a. Then you have to calculate values of u. How to find u? See here. First value of u. What is the first value of u? first value of u is equal to x minus a upon c. What is the first value of x? First value of x. What is the first value of x? 100. 100 minus 900 divided by 200. Pay attention here. 100. What do we write here? 100 minus 900. Value of a is 900 divided by 200. 100 minus 900 is minus 800 divided by 200. 800 minus 200, this is nothing but your minus 4. First value of x is minus 4. Pay attention here, student. 100 minus 900, 100 minus 900 minus 800 divided by class weight. 800 upon minus 800 upon 2, 0 get cancelled, 2 4s are 8. This is first value of u. What is second value of u? Second value, u is equal to x minus a upon c. What is second x? It is 300 minus 900 upon 200. 300 minus 900 minus 600 divided by 200. This 0 get cancelled, 2 3s are. And so this next value of u, is minus 3. Is it clear? Now what is the next value of u? Third value of u. What is third value of u? Third is u is equal to x minus a upon c. What is value of x? Value of x is, what is value of x? 500. 500 minus, what do we write here? 500 minus 900 divided by 200. 500 minus 900 minus 400 divided by 200. 0 get cancelled. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. This comes out minus 2. And so this next value of u is minus 2. Minus 2. Is it clear? Now what about next? 700 minus 900. 700 minus 900. 700 minus 900. 700 minus 900 is minus 200. Minus 200 upon 200. This comes out minus 1. Next one, 900 minus 900, 0. 0 upon 200. 0 upon 200 is 0 upon 200 is 0. 0 upon 200 is 0. Then 1100 minus 900. 1100 minus 900. It is 200 upon 200, 1. 1300 minus 900, 400. 400 upon 200, it is 2. And 1500 minus 900, that is a 600 upon 200, it is 3. These are the values of new variable. What are the values of new variable? Values of new variable is minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Is it clear, student? This is nothing but your step deviation method, or it is also called shortcut method. Now to take product of fu. How to find out fu? 8 multiplied by 4. 8 4s are, this is minus 32. Then 8 3s are, this is what we say, 18 multiplied by 3. What do we get? 18 multiplied by 3. What do we say? 18 multiplied by 3. 18 multiplied by 3. It is minus 54. Then 27 multiplied by minus 2. It is also minus 54. 35 multiplied by minus 1. Minus 35. 30 multiplied by 0. 0. 25 multiplied by 1. 25. 18 multiplied by 2. 8 2s are 16. 36. Then 11 3s are 33. This is nothing but your fu. This is nothing but your fu. Now how to find summation of fu? First add positive numbers. What are the positive numbers? 33 plus 36 plus 25. These are the positive numbers, and addition is 94, then minus 35, then minus 54, minus 54, and minus 32. What is total? Total comes out minus 81. Student, pay attention here once again. First add positive numbers. What are the positive? Positive is what? 33. First 11 3s are 33, 18 2s are 36, 25 1s are 25. 33 plus 36 plus 25. Addition is 94 minus 35, right? Minus 35, minus 54, minus 54, minus 32. It comes out minus 81. We say minus 81. Then find out frequency total. What is the frequency total? First is 8 plus 18 plus 27 plus 35 plus 30 plus 25 plus 18 plus 11. This comes out 172. Check it. 18 plus 8 plus 18. Right? How to find 8 plus 18 plus 27 plus 35 plus 30. We say plus 30 plus 25 plus 18 plus 11 is equal to 172. Once you get summation FU and frequency, then try to find out U bar. How to find U bar? How to find U bar here? Pay attention here. What is the formula? U bar is equal to summation FU upon N. What is summation FU? Minus 81 upon 172. Minus 81 upon 81 divided by 172. What is U bar? U bar become minus 0.47. Minus 0.47. Then X bar. What is X bar? A plus Cu bar. A plus Cu bar. What is value of A? Assume mean is 900 plus C 200 multiply by U bar minus 0.47. This comes out 900. Then plus into minus minus. Minus what? 200 multiplied by 0.47. 0.47. It comes out 94. 94.80. 94.19. 94.19. Then minus 900. Right? It comes out 805. 805.81. It is approximately 806. 806. This method is called step deviation method. Student, pay attention here. If you like this video, then like it, share it, and subscribe my channel to get new notification of new videos. Thank you very much.